In a city filled with strangers, he was still her little child. Though the inn was full and the night was cold, she held him close and smiled. And when she laid him in the manger, he was still her little child. And the angel called him Savior, he was still her little child. When the wise men gave him treasure, he was still her little child. When the shepherds bowed before him, a star shone all the while. When the angel called him Savior, he was still her little child. When he grew in strength and wisdom, he was still her little child. When he spoke, the people listened, he was still her child. And when he healed the lame and dying, they would follow him for miles. When he grew in strength and wisdom, he was still her little child. And when the people turned against him, he was still her little child. When they shouted, crucify him, he was still her little child. And when they nailed him to a wooden cross, then we were reconciled. When she held his broken body, he was still her little child. He was still her little